Hello mga ka-Chabinoggies and ka-Chabinoggers, it's me again, Chabinog. So today we will have a new video tutorial. Pero bago ang lahat, kung bago ka pa lang dito sa channel ko, don't forget to subscribe, like, and comment on my videos. Today, tuturuan ko kayo kung paano mag-convert ng JPEG or image to text using Google Docs. Alright? Madali lang siya at very effective. Madaling gawin. Pwede natin gamitin if ever man na may nakuha tayong information na naka-image file. Okay, so paano nga ba gagamit or paano nga ba natin siya gagawin? Okay, so halimbawa, I have this JPEG file or image file. So what I need to do first is to transfer this image to my Google Drive. Okay, so hanapin natin siya. So here it is. So I'll go to my Google Drive. Alright, then drag it. Okay, now it's already uploaded. Okay, so next step, click natin yung image. Right click on your mouse. Then look for Open With. Then click Google Docs. So it will open sa Google Docs. So, ano kaya mangyayari? Alright, tingnan natin kung ano mangyayari. Okay, so ito yung image. Right, nakita niyo siya. Ito yung images. Yung image na pinag-open natin sa Google Docs. And yung sa baba niya, alright, see, tadan! Ito na yung text doon sa image natin. So, all we need to do, delete this. Okay. Then, ayusin na lang natin to. Ayan. Yung mga kailangan ayusin. There you go. Okay. Ayan. Let's see. Lahat siya. 20. Then, there you go. Okay. So, ayan. So, yung from image to text. So, pwede na natin siyang i-download as Microsoft Word. So, para doon na rin natin siya i-edit. Kung may i-edit ka pa ba or you need to download it. So, pwede na siyang i-download. Just follow that instruction. So, pwede na siyang i-download. So, that's it for today. Hope may natutunan po kayo sa short video na to. So, in the comment box, hashtag image to text. Alright? So, once again, this is Chabinog. Thank you very much for watching this video. Bye-bye!